Hidden dangers in your food, unmasking ultra-processed culprits. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-processed foods and revealing the surprising staples that could be packed with chemicals and damaging your health. From breakfast cereals to those protein bars you reach for after a workout, we're pulling back the curtain on the truth about ultra-processed foods. To help us navigate this complex world, we have insights from top nutritionist Kayla Daniels, founder of Kayla's Nutrition. Kayla's passion for clean eating and her science-backed approach will empower you to make informed decisions about the foods you fuel your body with. Let's get started. The protein yogurt illusion, unmasking the additives. It seems like a no-brainer, right? Packed with protein and often marketed as a gut-healthy option, what could be wrong? Well, the truth is, many protein yogurts are packed with health-damaging thickeners, gums, and artificial sweeteners to improve texture and taste. These additives might make your yogurt thicker and creamier, but they can wreak havoc on your gut health. Thickeners like modified cornstarch and guar gum can interfere with your body's natural digestion process, leading to bloating, gas, and even more serious digestive issues in the long run. And then there are the artificial sweeteners. While they might seem like a good alternative to sugar, they can actually trigger sugar cravings and disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome. Opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt and add your own flavor and sweetness with fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Plant-based milk. Separating the hype from the healthy. Plant-based milk alternatives have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They're a great option for those with dairy allergies or intolerances, and they can be a more sustainable choice for the environment. However, not all plant-based milk is created equal. Some varieties, particularly those made from refined seed oils like sunflower or safflower oil, can be high in omega-6 fatty acids. Chronic inflammation is linked to a whole host of health problems, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. Look for options made from whole nuts or seeds, like almond milk, cashew milk, or hemp milk. These varieties tend to be lower in omega-6s and higher in beneficial nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. Remember, the simpler the ingredient list, the better. Protein bars. Unwrapping the sugar trap. Protein bars are often marketed as a convenient and healthy snack for active individuals or those looking to boost their protein intake. But before you reach for that seemingly innocent bar, let's take a closer look at what's really lurking inside. One of the biggest concerns with protein bars is their sugar content. Many brands add significant amounts of sugar to enhance flavor and make their bars more palatable. But all that added sugar can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, cravings, and even weight gain over time. Artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and even an increased risk of certain chronic diseases. So, what's the bottom line? While protein bars can be a convenient option in a pinch, it's crucial to choose wisely. Look for bars with minimal added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, and a short, recognizable ingredient list. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to see the appeal of meal replacement shakes. They're marketed as a quick and easy way to get a balanced meal on the go, often boasting an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and protein. But are these shakes truly a healthy and convenient option, or are they compromising your gut health in the process? Many contain artificial sweeteners like sucralose or aspartame, which may seem like a harmless way to reduce sugar content, but they can wreak havoc on your gut microbiome. These artificial sweeteners can disrupt the delicate balance of bacteria in your gut, potentially leading to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and even more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Beyond artificial sweeteners, meal replacement shakes often rely on highly processed ingredients to achieve their desired texture and shelf life. These ingredients can include emulsifiers, thickeners, and stabilizers, which may sound harmless but can have detrimental effects on your gut health. For instance, carrageenan, a common thickener derived from seaweed, has been linked to inflammation and gut irritation in some studies. So, while meal replacement shakes may seem like a convenient shortcut, it's essential to prioritize your gut health and opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Granola bars often masquerade as a healthy snack choice, conjuring up images of wholesome oats, nuts, and seeds. However, The reality is often far from this wholesome image. Many granola bars on the market today are loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can sabotage your health goals and leave you feeling unsatisfied. One of the biggest culprits in granola bars is the excessive amount of added sugar. To enhance flavor and create a more addictive taste, manufacturers often add various forms of sugar such as high fructose corn syrup, brown rice syrup, and even seemingly innocuous ingredients like honey or maple syrup. While these sweeteners may sound natural, they still contribute to the overall sugar content, leading to blood sugar spikes and crashes, energy slumps, and potential weight gain. Beyond the sugar overload, many granola bars are also surprisingly high in unhealthy fats. To improve texture and extend shelf life, manufacturers often use refined vegetable oils like palm oil or soybean oil, which are high in inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids. Furthermore, some granola bars contain artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives to enhance their taste and appearance. White bread is a staple in many households, often seen as convenient and affordable. But mass-produced white bread is stripped of its nutritional value, leaving empty calories. It's made from refined grains, removing the bran and germ which contain essential nutrients. This leads to quick digestion, blood sugar spikes, and crashes. Added sugars enhance flavor but contribute to empty calories and health issues. Instant noodles are a go-to meal for many, especially students and busy individuals, but frequent consumption poses health risks. The noodles and flavor packets are loaded with sodium and artificial ingredients. High sodium content is a primary concern. Excessive sodium can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and kidney damage. Many instant noodles contain MSG, a controversial flavor enhancer. Some people may experience headaches, nausea, and other reactions. MSG has also been linked to weight gain and metabolic disorders. Sausages, a beloved breakfast staple and a popular addition to sandwiches and other dishes, often conceal a cocktail of concerning additives beneath their flavorful exterior. While they may tantalize our taste buds, it's crucial to be aware of the potential health risks associated with certain sausage ingredients. One such ingredient is sodium nitrite, a common preservative used to prevent bacterial growth, enhance flavor, and give sausages their characteristic pink color. While sodium nitrite in small amounts may not pose significant health risks, excessive consumption has been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Another concerning additive found in some sausages is sodium metabisulfite, a preservative that can trigger asthma-like allergies in susceptible individuals. Exposure to sodium metabisulfite can cause shortness of breath, wheezing, coughing, and chest tightness, particularly in those with pre-existing respiratory conditions. Beyond preservatives, sausages often contain artificial flavors, colors, and other additives to enhance their taste, appearance, and texture. These artificial ingredients offer no nutritional value and may even have negative health effects. Furthermore, many sausages are high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can contribute to heart disease, stroke, and other health problems when consumed in excess. Diet colas are often perceived as a guilt-free alternative to sugary beverages, promising the sweet, refreshing taste of cola without the calories. However, this seemingly harmless beverage choice can have unintended consequences for your health, particularly when it comes to your gut microbiome. One of the main culprits in diet colas is artificial sweeteners. To replicate the sweetness of sugar without the calories, manufacturers use artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, or stevia. While these sweeteners may seem like a healthier alternative, they can disrupt the delicate balance of bacteria in your gut, potentially leading to a cascade of health problems. Research suggests that artificial sweeteners can alter the composition and function of the gut microbiome, favoring the growth of harmful bacteria while inhibiting the growth of beneficial bacteria. This disruption of the gut microbiome can contribute to a range of health issues, including weight gain, metabolic disorders, and even an increased risk of certain chronic diseases. Furthermore, some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may interfere with the body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar levels. This disruption can lead to increased cravings for sugary foods, potentially contributing to weight gain and increasing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Stay healthy and see you next time.